For the first step of getting set up, we're going to install Git on our machine, and the process is really straightforward. Just head over to git-scm.com. I'll explain how to install it on both macOS and Windows. Since I'm using a macOS, I'll start there. It's likely that your Mac already comes with Git pre-installed. You can verify this by opening up your terminal and typing git --version. If you get a response with a version number, then it means you have Git installed. I have Git version 2.48.1, but if you don't get a response with a version number, then not to worry. I'll show you how to install it. Back over in the website, you can see that the latest source release is version 2.53. That's at the time of recording, so you may have a later version available. So what I'll do is I'll install this latest release for myself as well. And if you don't have Git installed, you can also follow along. To install Git, you can simply click on Install over here. It should adjust for your operating system. So for me, it says Install for Mac. If you have a Windows, it will simply say Install for Windows. So click on that. Once you click there, you can see the installation instructions for Mac OS. You can also see the installation instructions for the Windows operating system and Linux as well, and you can also build from source. On a Mac, you can install it with Homebrew, with Mac ports, or even the Xcode command line tools. If you don't have any of these installed, you can install Homebrew by clicking here, Mac ports by clicking here, and then you can also get Xcode command line tools by clicking here. I'll be using Homebrew. So back in my terminal, I can type brew install Git. Okay, so that's completed. Let me clear my terminal, and then I can type git --version to verify the version. So I now have Git version 2.53 installed. So that's worked for me. If you're using a Windows machine, you can use the standalone installer. With the standalone installer, you simply download it, run it, and then click through the configuration screens on the setup wizard. It will install Git on your system, and it will also register it in the path variable. There are two builds. One is the x64 for Intel AMD machines, and then there is the ARM64 as well for the newer ARM-based Windows devices, like some of the Surface laptops. So once you're done, you can just verify it by using the git --version command on your command prompt. Great. So that's the Git installation sorted.